Hey all, Patricia here. I'm traveling for history. I'm in Lincoln, Vermont today. I'm on the property of the Lincoln Historical Society Museum, and we're inside. We were talking about the cupola of a barn. Right? It was a barn?
Yes, it came off the barn.
It came off a barn, and inside there's a bell from the church. And which church was that, please?
The Baptist Church.
Baptist Church. I think she's told me about 5 times now it came from the Baptist Church. And could I remember? No. But look at this. Isn't that cool? We hardly ever get to see cupolas except from far, far away from the ground. Wow. And look at that bell. That is amazing. Can you see it, actually? Okay, I think you can see it now. And the sign says, quote, "The cupola, dated 1888, was moved to the museum grounds on June 20, 2011. It was originally on the barn of the Will York Farm on York Hill, now owned by his grandson, Herbert Parker, and that was as of 2012. Is that still the case? Maybe?
I think it's a descendant of Parker now.
Okay. The bell was in the Baptist Church, located in the corner of West River Road and Quaker Street. The Historical Society Museum is on Quaker Street. The church was built in 1863 and was destroyed by fire on April 17, 1981. The metal arm beside the bell was attached to the bell and used to toll the bell at funerals. 1 toll, bong, for each year of life. Oh, this whole black piece?
Yep. That angled.
Oh, I see.
That's the bong.
Okay, the rusty one. Okay. Yep. All right. November 30, 1981, the former Methodist Church, also built in 1863, was moved down the street and is now on the site where the Baptist Church burned. Wow, unquote. And the bell at the top there says, I think, well, let's see if I can make it out. Blintner?
Norton, Cincinnati.
So Blintner, Norton and Company, Cincinnati. And let's see if I can help you see that. Oh yeah, I think you can see that now. Off to the left of the screen. And now you can actually even see the bell. Now, when they rang the bell, did someone actually have to pull a rope? Oh, the muscles needed to move that. Holy cow, that's insane.
And it's cracked on the back side. You can't see it here.
Oh.
It cracked in the fire.
Wow. The fact it wasn't totally destroyed. It's pretty amazing. Now, as I recall from that photo, the roof was metal. Is that the same roof?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. They don't build them like they used to.
I was thinking there was an actual date on this somewhere, but I don't see it now.
I'm sorry, date on the cupola?
But I don't see it.
Well, I see something up here that looks like it could have had a date on it, but there's nothing on it. It's just, oh, it is, 1888. Hard to see. Let's see. All right, I think you can see that. Wow. Gotta love history. And then on the back side here, and if I'm not mistaken, the louvers would have let in air and some light too. Yeah. Okay, because remember it was on top of a barn. All right, well, this is Patricia. I'm traveling for history. I'm at the Lincoln Historical Society Museum in Lincoln, Vermont, and this was the cupola off the top of a barn. And so this is Patricia, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye now.